Hey guys, it's VRX9 here, and today I will be shooting a video of my shotgun. This is what it looks like. I got it like a long time ago when I was like little. You can see like how it like holds the camera, but on the side, you take it, pull this back to shoot it, and it does come with little bullets, and they like stick kind of to like the window. You can shoot them out like the window or like the ducks it comes with. But then like you take it and you shoot it. You put your finger up here when you're not shooting it, and it's a really nice gun. It has like that little like scope thing to help you aim. It's a really good gun. It's pretty strong plastic. So yeah, has like a little orange tip there. I think that's pretty cool to like go like hunting with. That look like a cool gun. That look like a cool gun to like go hunting with, like I just said. And it says right here pump action backwards, I think, and it says soft art right there, and then right here, that little like black spot, it says shooting game set. It's cool. So yeah, that's the gun. So VRX9 is out. Peace.